Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact phone number and the Google Drive or iCloud account linked to WhatsApp. This determines where backup's live. Once done, open WhatsApp Settings Chat's Chat Backup to view the last backup date and size. Make sure your device has enough free storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. If you rely on cellular, consider Wi-Fi to save data. Now that you know where the backup is, proceed to locate it. Next, go directly to the cloud storage where WhatsApp saves backups, Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. In Google Drive, tap Menu Backups and find the WhatsApp backup entry. Note the timestamp and whether it lists app data. On iPhone, check iCloud Manage Storage Backups and select your device to see what's app data included. Make sure you're signed into the same account and that the backup state is the one you want. If it's encrypted, you'll need the encryption key or same phone number to restore. Finally, uninstall then reinstall WhatsApp to trigger the restore process. When prompted, tap Restore and wait for messages and media to download. You must use the same phone number and cloud account, otherwise the backup won't appear. If your backup was encrypted, enter the 64-digit key or the linked Google account password when asked. If no backup shows up, check for local backups in device storage, verify account sign-in, and ensure backups weren't deleted. If necessary, contact support for further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.